The formula for success, uncovering the science of baby formula. Imagine holding a tiny human, barely fitting in the palm of your hand, and knowing that a small can of powder is their lifeline to strength and health. It's mind-boggling, right? Let's pull back the curtain on the fascinating world of baby formula production. For centuries, feeding babies was straightforward breast milk or nothing. But what happened when mom couldn't nurse? Early solutions were grim, with watered-down cow's milk or homemade concoctions leading to malnutrition or worse. The need for a safe alternative sparked a revolution, and after decades of trial and error, baby formula was born. Fast forward to today, and modern formula is a carefully engineered substitute designed to rival breast milk's nutritional punch. So how do factories pull this off? Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Sourcing high-quality ingredients is the backbone of baby formula, and picking them is like casting a blockbuster movie. Only the best make the cut. Most formulas start with cow's milk protein, tweaked to be gentle on tiny tummies. For babies with dairy allergies, soy protein steps in as the star. Vegetable oils like palm, coconut, or soybean for essential fatty acids. Lactose, mirroring the natural sugar in breast milk, or corn syrup solids for lactose-intolerant little ones. Vitamins and minerals like iron and calcium added in precise doses to fuel growth. Vitamins and minerals like iron and calcium added in precise doses to fuel growth. Each ingredient undergoes rigorous testing for bacteria, toxins, and nutrient levels. Suppliers must meet sky-high standards because the stakes couldn't be higher. Mixing the ingredients. In this critical step, the sourced raw materials are combined in a specific ratio to create a uniform liquid mixture. This process takes place in large, sanitized stainless steel tanks equipped with advanced mixing systems. Temperature control. The mixture is heated to a precise temperature, typically between 50 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, to facilitate the dissolution of ingredients. This temperature range helps to denature proteins, making them more easily digestible. The mixture is constantly agitated by continuous stirring to prevent separation and ensure uniform distribution of ingredients. Quality control specialists continuously monitor the mixture's composition, pH, and temperature. If necessary, adjustments are made to ensure the mixture meets the required specifications. Step 3. Pasteurization is a critical step that ensures the liquid formula is safe for consumption by killing off any pathogenic microorganisms that may be present. High-temperature short-time, HTST, pasteurization. The liquid formula is rapidly heated to a high temperature, usually around 72 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius, or 161 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, for a short period, typically 15 to 30 seconds. This process kills bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms, inactivates enzymes that could affect the formula's stability, extends the product's shelf life. After pasteurization, the mixture is quickly cooled to a temperature that prevents further bacterial growth and preserves the nutrients. Homogenization ensures that the fat molecules in the formula are uniformly distributed, preventing separation and ensuring consistency in every scoop. The pasteurized liquid formula is forced through tiny nozzles or valves under extremely high pressure, typically between 10 to 30 bars via high-pressure homogenization. This process breaks down fat molecules into smaller uniform particles, distributes these particles evenly throughout the mixture, prevents creaming or separation of fat. Particle size reduction. The homogenization process reduces the size of fat particles, making them more easily digestible by infants. Next is evaporation and spray drying. These two processes convert the liquid formula into a powder, making it easier to store, transport, and reconstitute. In the evaporation process, the liquid formula is heated in a vacuum evaporator to remove excess water, resulting in a concentrated mixture. This process preserves nutrients by avoiding high temperatures, reduces the volume of the mixture, making it more efficient for spray drying. Spray drying. The concentrated mixture is then sprayed into a hot air stream, instantly evaporating the remaining water and forming a powder. This process produces a powder with a consistent moisture level, preserves the nutritional content of the formula, creates a powder that is easy to reconstitute with water. By controlling these processes precisely, manufacturers can produce a high-quality baby formula that meets the nutritional needs of infants. Finalizing the manufacturing process, quality control is a critical step that ensures the baby formula meets the required nutritional and safety standards. During nutrient testing, every batch of formula is tested for nutrient levels, including protein, ensuring adequate protein content for growth and development, vitamins and minerals, verifying the presence of essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin D, calcium, and iron, fatty acids, checking the levels of essential fatty acids like DHA and ARA, physical checks. The formula is also tested for physical characteristics including texture, ensuring the powder flows smoothly and doesn't clump, solubility, verifying that the powder dissolves easily in water, color and appearance, checking for any visible defects or contaminants, microbiological testing. The formula is tested for microbiological contaminants such as bacteria, ensuring the absence of pathogens like Salmonella and E. coli, yeast and mold, verifying the absence of fungal contaminants, batch release. If a batch passes all quality control tests, it's released for packaging and distribution. If it fails, it's rejected and destroyed. Packaging and distribution is the final step, which involves packaging the formula in a way that ensures safety, quality, and convenience. Sterile packaging is a key step. The powder is filled into sterile airtight cans or pouches with tamper-proof lids to prevent contamination. Labels provide critical information, including ingredients, listing all the ingredients used in the formula. Then comes preparation instructions to provide guidance on how to prepare the formula. Expiration dates indicate the shelf life of the product, while allergen alerts warn parents about potential allergens. Some brands prioritize sustainability by using sustainable packaging consisting of recyclable materials, reducing waste and environmental impact. Minimal packaging also minimizes packaging design to reduce materials usage. At the distribution phase, the packaged formula is then shipped to retailers, wholesalers, or directly to consumers, ensuring that the product reaches the end user in good condition. By prioritizing quality control and packaging, manufacturers can ensure that their baby formula meets the highest standards of safety, quality, and nutritional value. And that's the scoop on how baby formula goes from farm to can. It's a crazy mix of old-school know-how and futuristic tech, all to make sure the little ones get just what they need. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Your input matters. Share your ideas for our next video in the comments and we'll recognize your contribution. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the fascinating stories behind everyday things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content. Thanks for watching. And if you want to learn more, click the next video right here.